Start.
Okay. Hi, my name is Don Omondi, and I'm here to introduce you to our startup, Campus Discounts. Now, Campus Discounts is a niche social network where students get to view and recommend discounts posted by businesses near campus. Now, the inspiration from this came from the fact that students everywhere are on a tight budget, right? And because of that, they're always looking to save whenever they're buying products. And the best way to save is to exclusively look for discounts. Businesses, on the other hand, are always looking to market to this young group of people. And one of the best strategies that has worked since time immemorial is by offering discounts. Okay? Now, Campus Discounts is the go-to social platform, digital platform, where students can view these discounts that businesses have posted. That's what it is. Now, how it works is that a business goes and creates a page on our platform, okay? And then, first of all, we have a database, a worldwide database of campuses and their locations. Now, a business registers and creates a page and posts discounts tagging any campus near where they operate, okay? A student thereafter can go on and find their campus and view an assortment of discounts that have been posted by businesses near their campus. Okay, so that's the brief overview. But for each discount, a student can like it, can comment on it, okay, and can share it to their fellow peers. That's the social aspect to the platform now. And whenever they share a discount, that's what will populate the feed of their friends, because we have a buddy system as well. So when a friend of yours recommends a discount, it populates your feed. So that's like the brief overview of how it works. There are other social aspects where a business can be rated, can be reviewed according to a variety of criteria like prices and quality and services. Okay, Campus Discounts is currently founded by a two-person team in Nairobi, Kenya, which includes myself, Don Omondi, and Naomi Wamboi, who acts as CEO. I'm CEO and CTO. Thank you.